Guests won't remember your Wi-Fi speed, but they'll never forget your pumpkin spiced welcome basket. Learn how small vacation rental seasonal touches can turn your rental into a memory-making machine. Don't forget to subscribe and tap that little bell so you never miss a new episode. Whether it's spooky season or a spring bloom, I've got tricks and treats to help you boost bookings all year round. Now let's get real for a second. Ever stayed at a rental that felt cold, generic, or like someone just dropped off a key and ghosted? Yeah, me too. Now imagine walking into a space with soft autumn throws, a pumpkin spiced candle flickering in the corner, or maybe a handwritten note that says, "Hope you enjoyed the fall colors." Special touches don't just feel good, they stick. They make guests feel like you've gone the extra mile. And guess what? That extra mile is what turns first timers into raving reviewers and repeat bookers. Did you know guests are 47% more likely to leave a positive review when their stay included a seasonal or personalized welcome item? Fall, flannel, fire, and feels. Fall is about comfort. Guests want warm vibes, not clinical checklist. Here's how to tap into that autumn aesthetic without turning your place into a haunted house. Cozy up checklist. Chunky blankets on the couch. Cinnamon or pumpkin scented candles. Go flameless if needed. Mini pumpkin displays at the entryway. Fall themed Spotify playlist queued up and ready to go. You get bonus points if you leave a small local treat like cider donuts or maple cookies in a rustic basket. Have you ever tried using scent marketing? Studies show that certain smells boost perceived cleanliness and comfort. Want more design tips that delight? Check out the Vacation Rentals Resolutions podcast. Spring and summer. Light, bright, and local. Warm weather months are your chance to bring in the outdoors. No one wants to stay in a summer spot that feels like grandma's guest room. Want some quick fixes that work? Swap out dark throws for bright linens. Add seasonal flowers or succulents. Include sunscreen, bug spray, or even beach towels in the guest basket. Leave a list of local ice cream shops or farmers markets. Guests notice local touches more than name brand luxuries. Now let that sink in. The winter. Warmth is feeling. Winter's your golden ticket to comfort, but don't overdo it with the holiday theme. Skip the inflatable snowman. Go subtle. Go soothing. Snow day details. Provide slippers or extra socks for guests. Add a hot chocolate or tea station. Leave a handwritten card. We hope you enjoy your cozy winter escape. Now here's a fun fact. The highest rated winter rentals tend to have lighting guests describe as warm and relaxing. Invest in bulbs, not garland. Now here's a tip from the Launch Your First Vacation Rental. Guests remember how they felt more than what they saw. Use that emotion to guide your decor. Now here's a great tip for you. The one bin seasonal system. Want to make this easy? Create a seasonal decor bin for each quarter of the year: fall, winter, spring, summer. Toss in 5 to 10 small items: candles, throw pillows, welcome notes. Switch bins between bookings. It's 10 minutes max. It's one of the easiest ways to boost bookings and reviews without spending a dime on ads. What's your favorite seasonal touch to add to your rental? Let me know in the comments. Here are your key takeaways. Seasonal decor equals guest emotion trigger. Fall equals cozy and local treats. Summer equals bright and beachy. Winter equals soft lighting and warm welcomes. Use the one bin rotation system. Creating a seasonal guest experience isn't about buying more stuff. It's about building a feeling, that home away from home moment. That's what keeps guests coming back and telling their friends. Seasonal touches help you stand out without breaking the bank, and they build your brand. Go from just another listing to the listing people remember. Need more checklists, ideas, or inspiration? Join the Launch Your First Vacation Rental course. Get the tools, templates, and support you need. If you like this episode, you might also like How Can Technology Help Uncover Vacation Rental Hidden Costs? Episode 27. Subscribe so you don't miss next week's episode. And if you found this one useful, feel free to buy us a coffee. Every cup supports more resources like this for vacation rental owners like you. Ready to open that fall decor bin?